Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm creating this warm honey makeup look, so if you like what you see, stick around and keep watching. So first I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk and just put it all over my eyelids so my eyeshadow can pop and you can see all the colors. So now I'm using that yellow shade in my NYX Brights palette so I can put in the crease and get that nice warm honey look. And I'm just going to use my Morphe brush and just blend it in the crease. Remember ladies, the key to a perfect, flawless, blended eyeshadow look is to just keep blending it until it looks seamless. Okay, so now I'm using my Morphe 3502 palette and I'm going to use that orange reddish shade that's in there. I don't remember the color, but I'm just going to blend it with this brownish shade and I'm going to use both. So that's going to give me a nice, pretty, brick color for my lids. And now I'm using my Morphe 9A eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use that brown shade in there to just put on top of my lids to make the brown a little more vibrant so you can see that honey, bronzy glow. And now I'm going to use another Morphe brush. This doesn't have anything on it and I'm just going to blend out my crease a little more so it can look a little more airbrushed and put together. And that's all for the eyes. Easy, right? So now I'm just using my matte Matchmaster foundation in the shade 7.5, and this is my Ride or Die foundation. I use this all the time. It's my favorite. So I'm just going to blend it with my beauty blender all over my face. Now y'all, I'm using this Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo Concealer for the first time and I'm shook. This foundation is bomb. So I'm going to use this in the shade 33 Warm Deep or something like that. And I'm just going to blend it so I can get that nice under eye highlight. Now I'm going to use this powder from Black Radiance. This is my favorite to just do a quick contour with. And I'm just going to contour my cheeks and forehead. Just put a little more warmth to my face. And now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I think this is the shade medium dark or dark deep, something like that. But I'm just going to put it under my eyes and everywhere that I put the concealer, that's where I'm going to put to set it in place. And y'all already know I'm going to use my favorite Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Salted Caramel. This is my favorite highlighter. It's not too glittery at all, really. And it gives you just the perfect little glow. And I think it's really cute to use at summertime. You want to be glowing and popping. And now I'm just using my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara in the shade Carbon Black on my lashes, and I'm just going to coat my lashes one time because I'm going to be applying falsies. And this step is just optional. I'm just going to use that brown color and put it on my waterline and just smoke it out a little bit. And now I'm putting on my falsies. This is always a little bit of a struggle for me, but a lot of YouTubers don't show themselves putting their lashes on, and I know that it can be helpful to watch someone put them on if you don't know how to do it. So I'm just gonna insert this clip right here. And that is all for this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. See you guys later.